How to enable or disable comments on student work in ClassDojo. First of all, open the app on your device and log into your teacher account. Next, select the class for which you want to enable or disable comment. Then tap on the three dots in the top right corner and select comment settings from the options. Here you will see the enable comments option. Toggle it on to allow comments or toggle it off to disable comments according to your preference. You can also choose whether students are allowed to comment on the post. Enabling comments allows parent, teacher, and student to leave feedback or messages on the work, promoting interaction and engagement. Disabling comments ensures that the post remains private and prevents any discussion on that particular piece of student work. Now you know how to enable or disable comments on student work in ClassDojo. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more educational tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.